Deep in the heart of the African wetlands, a ripple disturbs the water. Not a storm, not a careless splash. Something massive moves silently beneath the surface. A crocodile, ancient, patient, and lethal. Nearby, the earth trembles. A herd of elephants strides through the grass. Majestic, powerful, unstoppable. Two giants, two very different approaches to survival. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles, virtually unchanged for millions of years. Masters of stealth, they rely on patience and timing rather than speed. Elephants, the largest land mammals. Their intelligence, strength, and social bonds make them rulers of the landscape. In these wetlands, crocodiles and elephants coexist, sometimes in harmony, sometimes in tension. The water shimmers under the sun. A fish jumps, birds call, the crocodile waits. Mussels quail, eyes barely above the surface. When prey approaches, the strike is instantaneous. Powerful jaws clamp down. Muscles contact with precision. No wasted motion, no second chances. The river claims another life, silent, efficient, perfect. On the river bank, elephants graze, sweep branches with their trunks, tear bark from trees. Every movement shows remarkable coordination and intelligence. Tugs can uproot trees, size deters predators, yet their power is controlled, calculated. The heart communicates constantly, low rumbles, gestures, subtle body language. Strength is not just physical, it is mental, emotional, and communal. Crocodiles detect the slightest vibration in water. They feel heat, sense movement, and wait for hours, even days, for the perfect opportunity. Elephants notice danger from mile away, using sight, smell, and memory to navigate vast territories. Crocodiles master water, elephants master land. Both adapted perfectly to their environment, patient, aware, conserving energy for survival. Crocodile mothers guard their nest carefully, moving hastily to water. Elephants show deep social bonds. Mothers, aunts, grandmothers protect and teach cubs. Every action is nurturing and strategic. Childhood is brief and vulnerable, yet survival depends on guidance, patience, and care. Habitat loss pushes crocodiles into human conflict. Poaching and ivory hunting threaten elephants across Africa and Asia. Fear often leads to misunderstanding. Crocodiles killed, elephants driven away. Yet both are vital to the ecosystem. Crocodiles control fish and animal populations. Elephants shape forests and disperse seeds. They are architects and regulators of life itself. As the sun dips behind the horizon, wetlands glow gold. Crocodiles submerge silently. Elephants rest beside the river. Powerful, patient, essential. Strength does not always roar. Sometimes it waves quietly, changing the world in ways we barely see.